This is gonna blow your mind. Budgeting can be done in just 10 minutes. In just 10 minutes, you can build a simple plan that puts you back in control of your money. No spreadsheets, no stress, no excuses. Imagine mastering your money for life with just a few easy steps. Ready to take charge? Let's dive in. Start today and make your future financially bright. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Do you ever feel like money just disappears? Like you work hard, but your bank account never seems to grow? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed by their finances. They think budgeting is too complicated or time-consuming. But what if I told you that you could create a solid budget in just 10 minutes? That's right, just 10 minutes to take control of your money and start building a better financial future. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Forget complicated spreadsheets and hours spent agonizing over every penny. This 10-minute budget plan is simple, effective, and will empower you to make smarter financial decisions. We'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps so you can start managing your money with confidence. Ready to get started? Let's do this. The first step to mastering your money is understanding exactly where it's coming from. We're talking about your net income, the amount you actually take home after taxes and deductions. This is the money you have to work within each and every month. Check your pay stubs or bank statements to find this important number. Knowing your net income is crucial because it sets the foundation for your entire budget plan. Now, let's talk about where your money needs to go each month. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your financial obligations to ensure you're not caught off guard by unexpected expenses. By planning ahead, you can manage your finances more effectively and avoid unnecessary stress. These are your essential expenses, the non-negotiables like rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, and groceries. These are the foundational elements of your budget, the things you absolutely must cover to maintain your standard of living. Without these, your day-to-day life would be significantly disrupted. Think about it. You need a roof over your head, lights on, and a comfortable environment to live in. Your home is your sanctuary, and ensuring that your rent or mortgage is paid on time is paramount. Utilities like electricity, water, and gas are also essential to keep your home running smoothly. A way to get around, whether it's by car, public transportation, or even a bicycle. Reliable transportation is key to getting to work, running errands, and maintaining your social life. Without it, you'd find it challenging to meet your daily obligations and commitments. And food on the table, right? Groceries are another critical expense. Eating well is not just about survival. It's about maintaining your health and well-being. Planning your meals and shopping smartly can help you save money while ensuring you have nutritious food to eat. These are your top priorities. By identifying and focusing on these essential expenses, you can create a solid foundation for your budget. This way, you can ensure that your most important needs are met before allocating money to other areas. To get an accurate picture of your financial situation, it's important to review your spending habits. This means taking a close look at your financial documents, such as bank statements and bills. By doing this, you can identify patterns in your spending and make informed decisions about where to cut back or reallocate funds. Look back at your bank statements from the past few months. This will give you a clear idea of your spending habits and help you identify any areas where you might be overspending. It's a good practice to regularly review your bank statements to stay on top of your finances and see how much you typically spend in each category. By categorizing your expenses, you can get a better understanding of where your money is going. This can help you make more informed decisions about your spending and identify areas where you can save. Using budgeting software or apps can make this process easier and more efficient, allowing you to track your expenses in real time and adjust your budget as needed. Flexible spending. Where does all the money go? This is where things get interesting. Flexible spending includes everything that's not an essential expense. Dining out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies, and those impulse purchases we all make. Be honest with yourself. Where does your money usually go? Do you grab takeout coffee every morning? Are you signed up for subscription boxes you barely use? Identifying these spending habits is key to freeing up more cash for your goals. Savings and debt. Your financial future starts now. It's never too early or too late to take control of your financial destiny. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current situation, the steps you take today can have a profound impact on your future. Saving and managing debt are crucial for financial well-being. By creating a solid plan and sticking to it, you can build a strong financial foundation. This foundation will not only help you achieve your short-term goals but also secure your long-term financial health. Even small amounts of savings add up over time, creating a safety net for emergencies or future goals. Think of your savings as a seed that with time and care will grow into a sturdy tree. This tree can provide shade during financial storms and bear fruit when you need it most. Start with a small, achievable savings goal, like $50 or $100 per month. This may seem modest, but it's a powerful first step. As you see your savings grow, you'll be motivated to save even more. Over time, these small contributions can lead to significant financial security. Next, tackle any high-interest debt you may have, such as credit cards. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, making it difficult to achieve your financial goals. By addressing this debt head-on, you can reduce the amount of interest you pay and free up more money for savings and investments. Consider a debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on others. This method can provide quick wins and build momentum, making it easier to stay motivated. As you eliminate each debt, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and see your financial picture improve. As you pay off each debt, you gain momentum and free up more cash flow. This extra cash can then be redirected towards other financial goals such as building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing for retirement. The key is to stay focused and disciplined, celebrating each milestone along the way. Remember, your financial journey is unique to you. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find a strategy that fits your lifestyle and goals. Seek advice from financial professionals if needed, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as your circumstances change. Automating your savings can be a game changer. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, you ensure that you're consistently putting money aside without having to think about it. This can help you stay on track and make saving a habit. Once you have a solid savings foundation and have tackled your high-interest debt, consider exploring investment opportunities. Investing can help your money grow faster than traditional savings accounts, but it's important to understand the risks involved. Diversify your investments to spread risk and seek professional advice if needed. Planning for retirement is another crucial aspect of your financial future. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs, and take advantage of any employer matching contributions. Regularly review and adjust your retirement plan to ensure it aligns with your goals. Achieving financial security is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress and stay committed to your goals. With patience, discipline, and a solid plan, you can build a bright financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Your financial future starts now, and every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Review and adjust your budget, your rules. Congratulations, you've created a basic budget in just 10 minutes. But remember, your financial situation is unique, so your budget should be too. The key is to review and adjust it regularly, ideally monthly. Life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up, income changes, and your goals evolve. By reviewing your budget regularly, you can make sure it's still working for you and adjust it as needed. Take action. Start your journey to financial wellness. It's a path that begins with a single step, and that step is deciding to take control of your financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your financial habits, the journey to financial wellness is one that can lead to a more secure and fulfilling life. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a plan in place, and the confidence that grows as you see your financial goals come to fruition. You've taken the first step towards financial freedom by learning how to create a 10-minute budget. This simple yet powerful tool can transform the way you manage your money. A 10-minute budget is not just about tracking expenses, it's about understanding your financial habits and making informed decisions. By dedicating just a few minutes each day or week to your budget, you can gain a clearer picture of your financial situation and make adjustments as needed. This proactive approach can help you avoid unnecessary debt, save for future goals, and reduce financial stress. Now, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. Start by making minor adjustments to your spending habits. Start today and watch your financial confidence soar. Want extra help? There are many resources available to support you on your journey to financial wellness. From online courses and financial planning tools to books and podcasts, you can find a wealth of information to guide you. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek advice from financial experts if needed. The more you learn and apply, the more confident you'll become in managing your finances. Don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards financial wellness today and start building a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Tired of guessing your budget? Start here. Always start with your net income. That's the money you actually take home after taxes. Knowing your real income sets the foundation for a budget you can stick to. Without it, you're just guessing. And guessing leads to overspending. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.